These are 5 simple geography facts that 99% of people get wrong. Let's find out if you are one of them. Starting off at number 5, we have the misconception about Australia's capital. Australia's capital is actually not Sydney. While Sydney is undoubtedly one of Australia's most famous cities, the capital is actually Canberra, located in between the country's biggest cities, Sydney and Melbourne. Moving on to number 4, let's talk about the size of Africa. Many people underestimate just how huge Africa really is. In fact, Africa is not only the second largest continent in the world, but is also large enough to fit the United States, China, India, Japan, and much of Europe within its borders. Taking the third spot is the misconception about Greenland's size. While Greenland may appear massive on many world maps, it's not actually as large as it seems. In reality, Greenland is about 14 times smaller than Africa, and just about the size of Algeria, despite Greenland often looking larger due to map distortion. At number 2, we have the misconception about deserts. When people think of deserts, they often picture endless stretches of sand. However, deserts can also be cold. The largest desert in the world is in fact not the Sahara, but Antarctica, which is the coldest and driest continent on Earth. And finally, at number 1, we have the misconception about Texas. Despite its reputation for being large, Texas is not the largest state in the US. That title belongs to Alaska, with a size of 1.72 million square kilometers, which is over twice as large Texas. So now you know.